This is a dedicated lithium iron phosphate battery charger from Humsienk. 12 volt, 20 amp charger. Let's take a look. It's a nice box. Instructions manual. AC cord. This is the European version. Terminal connections. Looks like a decent build. Back you got your fan right here. AC input. And on the other side, your DC output. Aluminum frame, solid. Input voltage is from 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. And the output is 14.6 at 20 amps, which is 292 watts, positive and negative. We're going to do some basic tests to see if it outputs correctly. Now this charger has built-in safety features like overvoltage, overtemperature, short circuit and reverse polarity protection. So it's basically designed to charge your lithium iron phosphate batteries safely and reliably every time. So the user manual says to connect the battery terminals. First, I've got a lithium iron phosphate battery, 100 amp hours, right here, connected to the charger. The battery is reading 13 volts at the moment. Then it says to connect the AC cord. Nice snug fit. They're all connected. The fan kicked in right away. It shows a red light, which means charging mode. It's connected to a lithium iron phosphate battery right here. It's a clamp meter. Just below 20 amps. Nice. Everything's getting hot. It does make some noise. Alright, so the charger has done its job and our battery is fully charged. Light shows green, means charging is completed. Now let's talk about how a lithium iron phosphate battery charger actually works. So, step 1, it enters a constant current phase, CC for short. So the charger gives the battery a steady push of current, in this case 20 amps. While it pushes the current into the battery, the voltage slowly rises up to 14.6 volts. Most of the capacity the battery takes in comes from this stage. Step 2, constant voltage, CV for short. Once the battery hits 14.6 volts, charger holds that voltage and the current will start to decline as it gets closer to the target voltage, which is 14.6. And as you're getting closer to 90–100% state of charge, your battery cells will start to balance. Step 3 is a full stop. The current coming from the charger drops below a certain point, usually around 1 to 2 amps. The charger stops and goes into standby. In this case, the light turns green. Lithium iron phosphate batteries do not require a float charging, so most decent chargers just stops. So basically it starts strong, pushing 20 amps into the battery. The voltage rises on its own. Once it reaches 14.6 volts, the charger stops pushing so hard. It holds that voltage and just lets the battery sip the last bit of power until it's full. Then it shuts off. Simple, safe. So the Humsienk lithium iron phosphate battery charger, 20 amp, is a budget-friendly dedicated charger for your battery. Humsienk is getting quite popular these days, so definitely check out their shop. I'll leave a link in the description and in the comments. Check out these two videos next because YouTube wants you to.